In this video, we will demonstrate the assembly for the adjustable mobile E1 stand. After opening the box, it's important to lay out all the materials to ensure that all pieces of the stand and accessories have been included. We'll start with the base upside down, and we will install the 4 casters. It's easiest to install those casters if they have been locked. After installing the casters, we will keep the base upside down and place the base over the columns, making sure to line up the screw holes. Turn the stand over so that it rests on the casters. Place the topper or housing on top of the 2 columns, making sure not to pinch any cables. Install the screws. There are 4 screws per column. At this point, we are turning the stand around to ensure power cable installation. There are 2 screws at the top of the housing. Those can be removed and the back panel can be lifted up and taken off. You will see the power modules in the topper or housing of the stand. Make sure that the remote and the USB control cable are accessible. At the top of the columns, there are 2 cables with Molex connections. Those Molex connections need to be plugged into the power module in the back of the stand. Once that is done, make sure that those cables are placed inside the housing so that they are not pinched. You will plug in the C13 to C14 power cable or power pass-through cable into the bottom of the housing. At this point, the back shell can be placed. You'll notice that there are teeth on either side that sink it in, and then also you return the installation of the screws at the top. Next, you'll take the power cable to go to the wall. You plug it in at the base of the housing and then just leave it there ready to plug into the wall. The final step is to install the wall mount that was included with the panel and install it at the appropriate place on the housing.